We will guide you through how to do a shake text in Movavi. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Movavi video editor to open it and wait for the main workspace to load completely. After that, select the Background tab at the top of the interface. Open the featured category, then choose a bright background, such as watercolor, to make the text easier to see. Drag and drop the selected background onto the timeline. Next, click the text menu on the left side. Open the basic category, then find a text preset without animation. Use simple text, then drag and drop it onto the timeline above the background. After that, change the text to shake text. Change the text color to black. Also, increase the text size slightly to improve visibility. Next, right-click the text, then select the Tools menu. Choose the Animation option to continue. Open the Advanced section, then click Add Animation. Select Linear for the animation curve to create smooth movement. Set the first keyframe by changing Rotate to 3 degrees. Set the second keyframe and keep Rotate at 0 degrees. Create the third keyframe, then set Rotate to 3 degrees again. Repeat the same pattern until you have created 6 keyframes. Open the first keyframe, then click More Options. Change position Y to -10. Open the second keyframe, then change position Y to 10. Repeat the same pattern for the remaining keyframes so the text moves consistently. After that, reduce the text duration and set the spacing between keyframes to 0.2 seconds for a faster shaking effect. Then, copy the completed text until you have about 5 text clips on the timeline. Move the timeline back to the beginning. Then click the full screen preview icon. Click play to view the final result.